All right, hi, my name's Goonie. So we're going to quickly go over the most important boating rules and our whistle commands that you may hear today, okay? So boating rules, you have to wear our PFDs and life jackets at all times. We ask you to always keep your balance and height low in the canoe, and your so no standing or horseplay or doing a lot of rocking in the canoe. And then make sure you're listening out for our whistle commands. So our most important whistle commands is that if we blow our whistle once, that means that we're trying to get your attention. We need to tell you something or go over an important rule. And then if we blow it 3 times, that means there's an emergency and we need you to come directly back into shore. Okay? Good? Excellent. All right, next most important piece are the life jackets, PFDs. So I'm gonna hand this to you and this to you, and you're gonna put it on just like you would a jacket. So 2 arms between there, you put it on like a jacket, excellent. And then these clasp here, you're just gonna clip all 3 of them, okay? And once you have them clipped, you wanna gently make sure they're nice and snug. You still wanna be able to breathe. We're not trying to cut off your air supply. Excellent. So buddies help buddies. Parents can help children help each other. Uh-oh.